Hey, let me show you all controls for AirPods Pro 2nd generation. It works the same for Android and for iOS devices. So first of all, we are gonna start from the basic one. When you are listening to some media, you can click once on the sensor to pause or to play. Just click once, and by the way, it works the same for the left and the right one. Now, when you are playing something and you want to change songs, you can for sure do this by quickly double tap on the sensor. You can turn next song. If you triple tap, then you will turn previous song. Take a look, we are back for this one. And when you are going to swipe up or swipe down, then you can actually change volume level. Take a look. That's how we can do this. Also, when you are gonna click and hold it, you are going to switch between the transparency mode and the noise cancellation. So yes, it's also working on Android. When someone is calling you, then you can single tap to answer the call. If you are on the call, then you can single tap to mute or unmute microphone. And if you double tap, you are going to end this call. And you can also activate the voice assistant when you are using iOS devices, but you will have to change it in the settings of AirPods Pro. It's only available for iOS, and you will have to basically click and hold. On the left or the right one, you can actually adjust this. And that will be all. Thanks for watching, and right now please subscribe.